A recent Billboard interview, the Grammy award-winning sensation spilled the tea on who he believes is currently ruling the dancehall scene, and you might be surprised by his pick. According to Sean Paul, the one leading the pack right now is none other than Masicka. Yep, you heard it right. Sean Paul is giving props to Masicka, praising his freshness and lyrical prowess. It seems like Masicka's vibes are resonating with Sean Paul, and he's not shy about showing his support for the rising star. But Masicka isn't the only one getting love from Sean Paul. He also gave a shout-out to Skillibeng for making waves and Skeng for his killer voice. However, he did express a desire to hear more variety in Skeng's themes. And let's not forget about Sean Paul's recipe for staying relevant in the ever-evolving music industry. It's all about that strong work ethic and staying connected to both the genre and the fans. Sean Paul spills the beans on how he keeps his finger on the pulse of what his crowd wants, and it's definitely paying off. Sean Paul dives into the importance of mentorship in dancehall, sharing how he's been guiding up-and-coming artists like Chi Ching Ching and Kwandajai Henriquez. It's not just about making hits for Sean Paul. It's about paying it forward and helping the next generation navigate the crazy world of music. So, what do you think about Sean Paul's picks for dancehall's future? Do you agree that Masicka is leading the pack, or do you have another artist in mind? And what about Sean Paul's advice on staying connected to your audience and giving back to the community? Leave your thoughts in the comments below.